thank everyone for joining me on my cooking channel. Today we're going to be doing French toast. As you see, we have the olive oil. Also, we have some good wheat bread. Always get the wheat bread. The white bread doesn't taste too good. Anyway, we're going to be putting it on the grill. My little black griddle joint. And also what we got here is the French toast mix. So we already pre-done the mix. Let it sit in the refrigerator for about an hour. As you can see, my French toast, I put it on the grill, dipped it. I figure you guys already know how to dip. Always let your French toast cook slow and low. 250 on the grill, about 5 minutes. Let's take a look real quick in my backyard, 1/4 acre. As you guys see, we live in large. Man, we doing it big up here. A lot of people always ask me what I'm doing. I'm living large. As you can see, my eggs, hash browns already done. Just a little something I put in the oven. Cook the eggs. Take a look at the house. As you can see, 5 bedrooms over here. We're doing it big. See a little kitchen where we sit down and relax. Also, I just got this in the mail from my honey, Mrs. Fields. I appreciate it. Thanks for the love. We're going to be sampling that soon. Okay, now we're back to the French toast. Everything's done. And as you can see, always make sure that you stack the French toast, let it dry for about 1 to 2, 3 minutes before you add anything on it. I'm Arkim Williamson. This is YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TV. Don't forget to hit me up and check me out weekly. Peace.